Hey friends, so a quick video on how to do the application problems that talks about a person earning how many hours a person works in a week. First of all, we do need to be really careful when we are finished that when we find how many hours the person worked in a week, we find the total hours. We just don't find how many hours of overtime they worked, okay? So that's going to be one of the places that's going to snag you a little bit. The other thing that I like to do when I see one of these problems is I like to get some of the numbers out of the way right away. So first of all, if Vince earns $18 an hour for 40 hours, and we can calculate how much money he's earned then. So we can take 18 times 40, which is 18 times 4, which is 36 times 2, which is $720. So if we take $18 times 40, I think we get $720. I did that in my head. I don't know, maybe we should check it on a calculator. 18 times 40. Yep, 720 for sure. Okay. So, and if the person makes $875, well, we know then that of that $875.25, that $720 of it was regular pay. So we know $155.25 is overtime pay. And we know by the information that was given to us, we know that he gets paid time and a half of $18. So we're going to take 18 times 1.5x is going to equal $155.25. Or if you don't want to do it that way, you could take 18 times 1.5 and you're going to get 27. So maybe that would be easier. Maybe if we did that. Maybe we should just make this 27x. So then x is going to equal whatever 155.25 divided by 27 is. 155.25 divided by 27. Divided by Leonard. Divided by girlfriend. Divided by 5.75. So that translates to 5.75 overtime hours. And we know that he had 40 regular hours. So 45.75 total hours is how I would do that. Okay, same question, just different amounts of money. So again, I'm going to notice here that he's making $19.50. Vince earns $19.50 an hour, but if he works more than, ooh, I need to go back and fix that. More than 40 hours in a week, he gets time and a half. So we're going to take $19.50 times 40. So $19.50 times 40. So $780. So $780. And then I'm also going to take $19.50 times 1.5. So when he works 1 hour of overtime, he makes $29.25. I'm going to take the total that he's making, $943.80, and subtract $780 to find that he's going to make so $29.25 for so many hours is going to equal $163.80. So X is going to equal 163.80. 163.80 divided by 29.25. 5.6. 5.6. So that is a total of, he has 40 of regular and 5.6 of over. So his total hours are 45.6 hours in total. All right. So this one's going to have the same typo in it. But if he works more than, this should have the number 40 in it. Okay. Alrighty. So he's making $14.82 for 40 hours. And we're going to take $14.82 times time and a half. 1482 times 40. 1482 times 40. $14.82 times 40 is $592.80. $592.80. $592.80. $592.80. So that is regular pay. 1482 times time and a half was 22.23. So he's making $22.23 per hour of overtime. And he makes a total of $753.97. We're going to take out what he makes for his regular pay, $592.80, and find out that his overtime pay is 711. What would that be? 6-1. 15 minus 9 is 6. So we have 161.17x. No. We have, sorry, 22.23x equaling 161.17. 161.17. So 161.17 divided by 22 and 30 cents. No, $22.23 type. We're going to find that that is, 7 1/4, 7.25. 7.25. 7.25 hours of overtime. So that would be 7.25 plus 40 hours of regular pay. So how many hours did we work? 47 hours and 15 minutes, or 47.25 hours. 47.25 hours. So that is how I approach those. This is total hours. All right, my friends. Have a great day.